All right, so let's put this together, all of our charts, into a nice interactive dashboard. Okay, so I'm going to choose the plus sign, add a new worksheet here. I'm going to call that my main dashboard, right? Perfect. All right, that's dashboard. What I'm going to do now is hit the Control A and select all the cells on this worksheet. And I'm going to go to the Home tab, and I can say Group here, Merge and Center. So notice it goes blank here. All right, goes blank. Now what I can do is click on Insert and choose Illustrations, Pictures, Stock Images. Again, feel free to use your own background image. I'm going to click on Stock Images. Excel is nice. It provides a lot of stock images provided by online, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click on, let's just type in snow. I don't know if what will show up here. We have, for example, all these little peaks here. I'm going to choose a nice one. Let's try this guy right here. Yeah. So we'll click on this one, click on Insert, and it's downloading that picture. Notice it sets this up nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and just drag that until it goes to a larger size here. So feel free to adjust this for your chart. So that's our backdrop, right? Our background behind our dashboard. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is head over on my worksheets, go to the beginning, click on Revenue Map. I'm going to go ahead and grab this chart here, right click and say Copy. Go back to my dashboard, and what I'm going to do is paste it. So I'm going to say Paste. Okay. Nice. So I get my my map here, my revenue map. I'm going to bring that over to the right side here. Okay, right here. And I'm going to right click the chart, format plot area, and let's go to the fill. I'll say no fill. Okay, border, no line. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, nothing really happened. Let's go ahead and format chart area again. No fill, there we go. And no line here on the border. Okay, perfect. Very nice. So looks like it's embedded behind my backdrop. So it looks like a nice dashboard there. All right, I'm going to go ahead and if you want to play with the colors, I'm going to go ahead and choose a different fill color. We'll choose orange for the states that don't have data, and then the states that do have data have some sort of color fill there according to the range here, or the minimum and maximum revenue. Okay. I want to be able to add the data labels. Let's see if I can format the data labels. We'll put category name, perfect. So that way we have the states here. And I'll go ahead and close that. Okay. All right, and again, you can enlarge this if you like. Okay, so that's our revenue map. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to revenue history. Go ahead and right click my chart there. Okay, let's go ahead and right click the chart and copy. Head over to my dashboard. Go ahead and right click and say paste or Control V. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and drag, Control Z. I'm going to go ahead and grab this chart, move it just next to my map here. Okay, leave some space on the side. We're going to embed our slicers here to slice and dice our data. Okay, perfect. I'm going to zoom out a bit. There we go. I'm going to just drag this background a little bit to the right. Move my cursor to the left. All right, perfect. So again, you can zoom in and out and adjust your dashboard, right? So perfect. I have my revenue map and my revenue history here. All right. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead to my damage count. Right click my chart, click on copy, go back to the dashboard, right click and say paste or Control V. I'm going to go ahead and drag this guy down right here below my revenue history, and let's make that a little bit smaller. We'll do about half of this, right? So we'll look something like this. Perfect. Maybe right there. Again, feel free to adjust this. Okay. Next, I'm going to move on to my purchase method waterfall. Right click my chart, copy, go to my dashboard, right click and paste. Okay. I'm going to drag this guy down here right next to, right next to my donut chart, right? And then adjust the size, and we can go maybe fit the revenue history and the donut chart right there. Perfect. So I got my grand total. I got my different media store apps. Again, you can feel free to play around with this. I can even move this guy to the right here, and then maybe make this a little bit bigger, a little bit more length. Okay, and then this guy can drag it a little bit to the right, more width, so I see the different categories. Same with my donut chart. I can adjust this. Maybe put it halfway here, and then I'll go ahead and move this a little bit to the left, and a little bit inside here. Okay, let's make this a little bit smaller and give a little bit more room to my waterfall. Okay, let's give a little bit more room so it's right next to it. There we go. Okay, again, feel free to play around with this and adjust the width and the height and the dimensions. Okay, so that's my waterfall. Finally, I'm going to go to my product rating bar, right click on that chart, click on copy, head over to my dashboard, and Control V. Okay, notice it pasted here. I'm going to go ahead and adjust that right below my map, right about there. Let's change the width a little bit. I'm going to scroll down, adjust the width so it aligns with my other charts, and perfect. So you can even drag that over a little bit to the end. Nice. So I have it looks like a dashboard ready to go. It's not interactive yet. I'm going to show you that in the next video. Hey guys, if you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you next time.